Morning guys, it's 2:41 in the morning. Try to hunt, find the target here. Guys, it's a pendant. Take this first find small pendant. I don't know what metal it is. Another 2 coins, 3 coins in one hole. Still have more. Fourth coin in one hole. Fifth coin. Sixth coin. I think there's more if I dig deeper. No more. That's it. Oh, full top underside. On the ring, guys. Stainless steel. On the ring, guys. I think this is silver. Common find. Yeah. This is for the kids. There's something shiny here. Oh, man. Cartier, guys. Guys, found a Cartier. 320. Guys, my Excalibur's already low battery. You can hear that. That is the sound of low battery. And later it will beep. Just wait. Yeah. If you are new to Excalibur, that is the sound of low battery. So I have to change the battery. This is my old battery pack, but I brought my battery pack for this machine. So I'll go back to my motorbike first. Guys, back to the beach. Strong signal. Sounds like a coin. Or maybe a silver. Yeah, coin. An earring, infinity earring. This is silver, guys. Got it, guys. Triple finds. Only one scoop, 2 coins, and a ring. So we have a ring. I think this is brass. And 2 coins. Strong signal. Ooh. Ring, guys. A white ring. Cannot find a marking. I hope it's white gold. A coin on the ring, guys. I love this place. But the ring don't have a marking. Oh, it's broken. If it's broken, possibly check later. Guys, look at that. Chan. Haha. I know it. It's a silver, guys. Silver ring. A big silver. Hey guys, it's raining now. I don't know what time is it. Don't have a watch, but I think it's already 6 o'clock. So it's time to go home. Still a lot of signal here. I'll be back next time. Now guys, for the wrap up, as you can see, we found a lot of coins again, just like the last hunt. I found a total of 147 coins, a total of 592.50 pesos. That converts to around 12 US dollars. Can you imagine how much digging for that? 147 coins plus some jewelries, and I'll show you my trash. Look at that, guys. There's a lot of trash everywhere. So to the jewelries, we'll start with this one. This one is a brass ring. This small jewelry, I was not able to test this, but maybe junk. This one is a stainless steel. This one may be a silver. This is an earring. It's not able to test. This one is an infinity earring. This is silver. This one, I think it's junk. Another stainless steel ring. It looks very good. Looks like a white gold, but stainless steel. This one, I was thinking this one for at least a silver, but I tested with my silver tester. It's not a silver, and when I put a tester on it, it turns red or brown. So this may be a copper plated. Looks good. So no need to test this stone because for sure this is fake. This looks like a class ring, a copy of a class ring. And this one, I don't know what is the design, but I scraped on this area and I tested with silver, and it is positive silver. So let's go to the good finds. This one, as you can see on the video, when I detected this one, I found it on the surface under shallow water, and then I just grab it with my hand. I did not scoop because I've seen a glitter on it. This is a copy of a Cartier, but I think this is a fake Cartier. But good thing is, this is real gold. This is 18K, mark 18K. And I tested with my acid tester. It is positive 18 karat. So 18 karat white gold. And this one, I found this together with the coin. It's a loud signal because of the two targets, but it's broken here. The stone is I think this is jade. Yeah, could be a jade. And I tested the metal. It is positive 14 karat, no marking. But because of the acid tester, I confirmed it is 14 karat gold. Good enough. We find 2 gold today. So sleepless night pays off again. So I think that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified if I have a new video. Just leave your comments below. If you have questions, I'm willing to answer. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next hunt.